Today we're out here in Edgewater. We're looking at a older 28-foot McGregor sailboat. It's got a 50 horsepower Mercury on the back of it. It does not want to run right. It has extended crank periods, and it has sputtering and backfiring and just does not want to run right. Customer has already replaced the spark plugs, has replaced all of the coil packs, and done a couple other things over winter to try and alleviate any type of issue of running for this season. We've already been down once to look at it and recommended coil packs, and the customer has replaced those but still having a running issue. So we're going to go investigate and see what we can find, if it's a carburetor issue or another type of issue that we need to look into. But we have everything on the truck to make the job go smoothly and try and figure out what the issue is with wanting to run right. So we're working on a 50 horsepower Mercury on this McGregor sailboat, and it's having a running issue of not wanting to stay running, and it's hard starting and everything else. So it keeps puffing and carrying on from behind this starter here, and right here in one of the oil lines there's a hole. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the oil line off, since we have extra, cut it down, put it back on, put everything back together, and see if it'll start and run better with everything fixed like that and no more hole in the line. I believe there's too much air going into the cylinder, causing it to basically overpower everything, and it's not wanting to run right and it wants to backfire. We finished for the day. We know what the problem was. There ended up being a small vacuum line that had a large hole in it, or a slit, that ended up causing it to want to backfire and carry on because it was introducing too much air into the system. There was enough left in the line that we were able to cut out the bad section and reinstall it, and it didn't have any kinks in it or anything like that. Once we reinstalled all of the stuff that we had taken off to be able to see the vacuum line, then we started it back up and the unit runs good. It doesn't want to backfire or carry on or have any other issues. So the customer's happy. He can use this boat, and especially because it's Father's Day weekend.